Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make salmon jerky step by step. Start by choosing fresh, skin-on salmon and remove any sinew or silver skin with a sharp knife. Slice the fillet across the grain into 1/4 inch strips for the best chew. Keep the strips refrigerated while you prepare the marinade so they stay firm and safe before curing and drying. Combine soy sauce, maple syrup, minced garlic, a splash of vinegar, and 1 tsp kosher salt per pound of salmon to make a flavorful marinade. Stir the mixture until the sugar dissolves and taste for balance between sweet and salty. Submerge the salmon strips in the marinade in a sealed container, press them down so they are evenly coated, and refrigerate for 4 to 8 hours to absorb flavor. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more easy food projects. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth helped me think differently about budgeting time and splurging on quality gear like a dehydrator, which makes jerky easier and more fun. It's a simple read and a tidy investment for your hobby budget, so check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Remove the strips from the marinade and gently pat them dry with paper towels before placing on racks to allow airflow all around each piece. Set your dehydrator or oven to 145 degrees F and dry until pieces are flexible and slightly firm, checking periodically so they do not become overly dry. Cool completely, then store in airtight containers in the fridge or vacuum seal for longer shelf life and easy snacking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.